Hi. Good Friday morning, no, Thursday morning. I'm getting ahead of myself. Good Thursday morning, everyone. I hope you guys are having a good morning so far. I just wanted to come on, and this is going to be a short one today, not a whole lot going on, but I am getting a little further on the poncho. So I really love how this goes from granny to front post to granny. It's just so pretty. It's so pretty. And actually I had it up on me wrong. It's going to go like this. Let me get it the right direction. So it's going like this, and it's real easy. You just keep repeating. I love see how it goes from front post to granny, and then the next repeat, it's granny to front post, and then front post to granny. I just love how Crystal from Bag a Day designed this. It's so pretty. But anyway, all you do is you just keep repeating those rows 2 through 9. Just keep repeating until you get it the size you want. That's it, because every row increases. So however long you want it, you just keep repeating the 2 through 9. So I love how this is turning out. It's so pretty. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I said I wouldn't go buy any more yarn, but hey, it came up on my email, and let's see, it was Premier Yarns is having a sale. And guys, let me tell you, they've got their anti-pilling bobbins, which are usually $11.99. Those are on sale for $3.99. I don't know if I can click on those. I'll show you on my phone if you can see it or not. But those bobbins, they're $3.99 on sale right now. They're normally $11.99. And then I also got their universal yarn cotton thread. I love making doilies, so when I saw these, I had to get them. They have those on sale. The universal cotton thread, those are on sale for $1.99. So just wanted to let you know about those. I mean, I couldn't pass that up. I thought those were a good deal, especially the bobbin. I had been wanting to try the bobbin, the Premier anti-pilling bobbins, but just didn't want to pay the $11.99 for them. And so when I saw that they were $3.99, I grabbed about 3 of them. So just wanted to let you know that. I've got a pretty lazy day today. I'm going to sit and crochet, and I really am hoping that this gets finished today. Let me see here. I got my stitch came out, but yeah, I'm really going to try my hardest, and I want to finish this because I've got other things I need to work on. I got an order for a friend of mine whose brother is a teacher, and she wanted me to crochet her a tissue box cover. And Nicole Riley from Nikki's Homemade Crafts has a really cute square tissue box cover that looks like a pencil. And she wants me to make her one of those for her brother for a gift. So I'm going to work on that too. Got some ideas. Thank you guys yesterday for all the comments on my video yesterday and the ideas for tutorials. So I've got a good idea of where I'm going to start next month, and hopefully be working on those and get those out soon. So thank you for your suggestions. If you have any others, let me know. And so I'm going to get those started and start working on those. Since my son-in-law, one of my son-in-laws, had contracted COVID over the holidays, they weren't able to be here for Christmas. So tomorrow night, my girls, both my daughters and their families are coming in, and we're going to have Christmas with them over the New Year's weekend. So we will be celebrating Christmas with them this weekend. So I'm hoping to start taping. Let's see, my husband has another physical therapy appointment Friday morning, but hopefully Friday afternoon before they all get here, I can start taping some of those tutorials. and get a couple taped before they get here. That way, at least Monday and Tuesday, I've got something going. So what I'm thinking about is, I said Monday and Tuesday. I'm thinking about just doing tutorial Tuesdays. Just so you know that every Tuesday, that's when a tutorial's coming out, and that would give me time in between each one to get them recorded and videoed. So that's my goal. So guys, it's here in West Tennessee where I am. It's rainy. All the snow's gone. It got up to about 51 degrees yesterday, and where I am, and all the snow is gone. Everything's just wet, and it's been raining here this morning already. It's not now, but it's kind of just, yesterday was so nice. It was warm and the sun was out, and today we're back to cloudy and no sunshine and bleh. So, so it's just a good day to sit inside and crochet. So that's what I plan on doing. So you guys take care. I hope you have a terrific Thursday, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Bye, guys.